morning, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, trying to keep it down. This is what happens when you go to bed at 8:30, up at 4. Anyway, getting ready for my Wildcats for my senior. It was a breakfast, now it's becoming a breakfast for dinner. I'm putting together the Tater Tot egg casserole, and what I've done is I've browned a pound of sausage, and I've drained it, drained the grease off. I am mixing up 6 eggs and 1 cup of milk. As I do that, I will tell you we are 9-0 on Wildcats. We're excited. We've got Easter elements tomorrow night, in case you haven't seen my Facebook post. And I wanted to do something special for our seniors. So, tomorrow night being senior night, they're going to come here after breakfast tonight and eat breakfast for supper, which I love that. But anyway, I'm going to mix these up with some salt and pepper. I'm going to layer this up. The sausage goes in the bottom, the brown sausage that's drained, and then the eggs over top, and then a layer of 2 cups of shredded cheddar is what I chose to do, and then tater tots over the top. And we'll cover it, refrigerate it, and have it ready to go in the oven when I get off work today. Well, actually this evening. Then I'm going to mix up my French toast casserole, which I've made that before for some of the football players years ago. They loved it. So stay tuned to Cooking Cutting Up, keeping it real, and I'll show you how I'm going to put all this together. Make it a great day.